Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? I know, small box from CRKT. Today we're going to take a look at the Drifter. But we're going to get in there in just a moment. As you guys know, CRKT always sends some really interesting stuff in their, blades and whatever. Then once you take a look at the KISS with this one. But alright. So I get asked a lot in messages and chats and everything else, what do you think is a great blade to get into for everyday carry? That inspired this video. I actually got this blade in an Amazon misorder, for lack of a better phrase. I had to send it back and get my real blade that I wanted, but still. But when I had it for a moment, I thought to myself, this is a great choice if you're just starting out. It's not going to break the bank. It's not really scary looking. I mean, it kind of has that, I don't know, like peaceful kind of look to it. And, I thought, why not? Let's roll with it. Okay, so let's get into the stats like we usually do. It's got an overall length of about 6.50 inches. The blade's 2.875, and closed it's 3.625. It comes in at a very minor weight of 2.60 ounces. It is done in the drop point style with a plain edge, and as you can see there, it's kind of got a hollow grind. The blade steel on this guy is 8CR14 MOV with a Rockwell rating of 58 to 59. Now, I know, 8CR, big deal. It's a starter blade, guys. You're not going to get a Ferrari for the price of a freaking Yugo, but still. Now, it does have that gray titanium nitrate coating finish to help prevent against rust, corrosion, all that fun stuff. I mean, it's not a permanent, but it helps. We do have a stainless steel frame in there, as you can see clearly, with a liner lock, which deploys pretty quickly, too, and pretty easy. We do have the dual thumb stud opening, and it opens up pretty smooth. I mean, I haven't had an issue yet getting her open. We do have dual black 10 with a little bit of textured G10 scales. There is only one way to carry this guy, right hand carry, tip down. We do have a lanyard hole down here, and yes, it is made in China. Alright, now let's get to those cut tests that we love to do here on the channel. If you're curious why I'm about to do these three, take a look right up top. You can see a card for why I do those cut tests. First one, heavy duty stock paper. Oh yeah. Alright, see if we can get a curlicue. Oh well, it started to curl a little. I'll take that. Ah, come here. Right there. Now there's a reason why I like to try to get those, because anyone can just basically grab a blade, rip it through the paper, and go sharp. But if you pull it slowly, clearly enough, and at the same angle, it should start to turn back into itself. And yeah, we do have some snowfall on the blade. No big deal. Alright, we're coming to the last of this wretched paracord from that tactical rope dispenser, I swear. But gotta give me a moment. I know you would think I would do this before I shoot a video, but I'm not that bright. Alright, pull test. I don't know if it's the paracord or the blade, but yeah, I'm not happy with that. Alright, slice. Right through. And yes, our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Oh yeah, you can kind of hear that tearing as it went. Oop, oop, oop. Dang, one little thread. Okay. As we always do, taking a look at that blade. And kind of cleaned it up right nice. Okay. So I did all the homework, all the fun stuff on this one on March 12th, 2021, and I'm filming this video on March 13th, 2021. I found it on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's $27.71, and it is Prime one-day eligible. On CRKT, it's $44.95, and it's currently out of stock. On Blade HQ, it's $26.95, and currently out of stock as of filming the video. On Blade HQ, it's been reviewed 9 times for a 4 1/4 rating out of 5 stars. On CRKT, 5 reviews for a 5 out of 5 star rating. And this is what makes me go, wow. Over on Amazon, 1,329 reviews for a 4.7 out of 5 star rating. Okay, so we're at the part of the video that I love the most, seriously. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything right down below in the comments section. Do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? For a starter everyday carry blade, I like it. I highly recommend it. I say go get one. But that's just me. Alright, for you first time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose this one. Now, for you first time viewers and you long time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why not? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription, because you never know what you're going to do to change the course of history of this channel. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, I know I'm asking a lot, but it's all free. Take a look right down there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up in a moment. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and beat that up, take it out on its little brother, the little bell icon. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, two will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Drifter. I hope all of you are having a safe day, a great day, and I'll see all of you in the very next video.